Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Dead by Daylight Initialization Error. So just before we begin, this will work either on Steam or Epic Games. Basically this is the same process for both. And also just before we begin, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So the first thing here is on your Steam or Epic Games, go to your library right over here, right click on your game, or on Steam, the three dots on it, right click, properties, and locate installed files and verify integrity of game files. And for Epic Games, it should be repair. Basically the same here, verify game files and repair. Click on over here, wait for it to finish. It's gonna fix any corrupted files or missing files that might need the game to fix properly. As you can see, successfully validated. Close this out, relaunch the game, and if the problem still persists, once more on your library, right click on your game, go to properties, and general, launch options, and write down -dx11 as you can see. Exit out and relaunch the game. If nothing works, a simple restart of your Steam should be fixed. Basically how to close out Steam is go ahead and exit this out, click on your icon right over here, right click, exit Steam, right click on your taskbar, task manager, locate any Steam related here, and if you do find any Steam related here, just go ahead and right click on it and add tasks. Once done, relaunch the game and it should be fixed. One last thing is basically on your keyboard, type or press Windows plus R right over here and click on OK, update a percentage, and locate Dead by Daylight folder and go to saved and delete the persistent downloader folder. Once done, it should be fixed. And I hope you guys find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.